Yo, ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Alright, so basically what I wanted to do today was go ahead and give you guys just basically a status update regarding what's going on with Solos, as well as my channel and everything in between. So, as you see, we have currently got the Solos webpage up and running here. And you may also notice several of the changes that I've already applied here. For instance, the new YouTube/videos link, as well as then the toggle IRC button. So this is a pretty neat little feature here, and what it does is basically it toggles the IRC channel. So as you see here, if I click on it, the IRC is going to go through and disappear, and it's going to actually bring it to the top information regarding updates. So that's a big thing that I've gone through right now with my website is updates. So for instance, we've got the information regarding the new update regarding the Solos review. My wonderful friend Fishman loves Linux. He's gone through and done a review for Solos. And he's gone through and discussed what his likes and dislikes and just the features regarding what Solos is, what Solos has, and we're very happy and very proud to have had him go through and do this wonderful review for us. I cannot express the gratitude because he's done an excellent job, doing the video review. There were some, little errors and mistakes here, with the memory. Usage for the RAM and all that. But aside from that, everything is really done well. He's done an excellent review. He's displayed good features. He's displayed the menu well. He's done a really great job, and we are very grateful once more to him doing this review about Solos. We've gone through and provided the YouTube video in question, as well as we've also provided a link to his homepage for the YouTube channel. So definitely go through, subscribe to him, watch his videos. He does reviews regarding Linux operating systems and what he thinks of them, and he's done, he's a pretty harsh reviewer in many ways, and that's one reason why we wanted him to do the review, is because he doesn't hold back any punches. He's coming out swinging, and just giving his opinion on what he thinks about these operating systems. And so he's done a great job with our review for Solos, and we're very excited to be able to have this, because it does make us look a lot more efficient, or official when somebody's actually talking about it. So thank you very much, Fishman, and we're very happy to have him go through and review our operating system. Other things that we've posted also are just changes about the website, as well as future plans. So definitely check that out as well here. And we'll go through and just toggle the IRC back on. Let's go ahead and check on the other changes I've done. So screenshots, if you guys recall, had some issues with screenshots I didn't like about it. For instance, if I went through and viewed an image, it'd go through and take it directly to the image itself. You'll see that I right-clicked, so we're going to see what happens when we left-click on it. And this is something that very excites me a lot. Now, before we go through and just open up images, I want you to also take notice that we are no longer highlighting 3 rows at a time, or not highlighting, but fully opaquing the 3 images at a time. It is now individual windows going through and becoming fully opaque. So to go through and open up a window here, now we actually have this wonderful feature where we can actually get a gallery view of the images rather than going through to a separate web page to view that image, which is excellent. I'm very happy about that. So you can go through, click on the images, and actually just view information about the Solos OS, as well as the it running. So that's definitely exciting. Other feature, the biggest other feature is that we've got the, of course, video/YouTube link, and this basically is a page that gives you the videos regarding Solos and my my YouTube video website. So my primary YouTube page and all that. These are the videos that are currently displayed on it, so definitely go through and check that out as well, because it's a pretty nice feature. You can go through and just click on that image, and from there the video will go through and play embedded on the website, so that's definitely nice. And the nice thing about this also is that you can actually also go through and select load next, and it'll go through and load you the next videos that are available or present for for my YouTube channel. So definitely check that out. It's a pretty nice feature. You can just kind of keep everything together. And aside from those updates, that's kind of it. The biggest things going on were, of course, the Toggle IRC channel, as well as the update section and YouTube section. We did also go through and modify the about section a little bit to improve the text, as well as the about information for that. So it's now actually properly up to date with the about info, so that it can it does properly reflect the changes to Solos Revision 2 that has been released. Once more, we want to go through and just thank, Fishman Loves Linux. He's done an excellent job reviewing our operating system. We're very excited for that. We are very happy that he's done a great review. He's discussed his things that he's liked. He's discussed things that he didn't like, and so we're really happy that he's done this review, because, like I said, it does make us look more official now that people are talking about it, and we want to keep that ball rolling and expand the user base and expand the discussion regarding this operating system or this distribution. I really should stop calling it an operating system, I suppose, but because it really more is of a distribution rather than an operating system. I mean, well, a separate operating system, like, that's entirely new. But I like to just call it, operating system, because, it's a Linux operating system, and it's a distribution, really, is what I should be calling it. But due to the name Solos, which is Sol, operating system and all that, or Solos, which is how I prefer to call it, that's why we're going through and calling it an operating system. But it really isn't like its own separate operating system. It is, of course, just a Linux derivative of Ubuntu and the basic packaging and all that. Still, nevertheless, I'm really happy with the changes and modifications we're doing. We're going to keep on working on it. We're going to do some changes as well. Some updates are going to be that I'm going through and going to be adding my friends' information to this website. As you may have seen in the contact information, we've got Claudist. He's going through. He's assisted me with parts of the operating system, as well as the web pages. So his contributions are more like motivation, as well as actually some design features at the very early stages of the website designing stages. So definitely a thanks to him as well. But like I said, those are going to be some updates going down the road. We're going to have his YouTube videos, if he has any, and some of his information come back up on this website as well, since this is a bit of a joint venture in a sense for everything. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that basically sums it up pretty well. We're very happy once more for Fishman Linux to do his review. He's done an excellent job, very fun, very informative, especially at the end. Definitely hold out to the end to listen on his views about what's going on with with the world and some of the news that he's got going on, so definitely check that out as well. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, thank you for watching. Please rate, subscribe, tell me what you think, and I will talk to you guys later.